Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to receive payment on Deel. Deel is a great platform for paying and hiring freelancers and contractors from all over the world. It's easy to set up and use, and it's a great way to save money on international payroll costs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive payment on Deel in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for Deel. If you don't already have a Deel account, you'll need to create one. This is a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. Step 2. Add your bank account. Once you've created your account, you'll need to add your bank account. This will allow Deel to pay you directly. Step 3. Get paid. Once your bank account is set up, you can start receiving payments from your clients. Deel will automatically convert the payment to your local currency and deposit it into your account. Step 4. Withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money from Deel at any time. Simply log into your account and click on the Withdraw button. Here are some additional tips for receiving payment on Deel. Make sure your bank account is active and in good standing. Deel may charge a small fee for processing payments. You can receive payments in a variety of currencies. You can set up automatic payments to your bank account. In conclusion, Deel is a great way to receive payment from clients all over the world. It's easy to set up and use, and it's a great way to save money on international payroll costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.